Alright, we're going to show you a little footage of a Curtus 10 horse 2-stage air compressor we're going to sell. Belonged to a big chemical plant across the road from here. Was in a building they were going to tear down. A friend of mine is a machinist or the millwright that disconnected the power. He said it was a good running compressor, nothing was wrong with it when they just discontinued use. Has on the side of it right here a water-cooled aftercooler. Those are usually about $1,000 if you had to buy one new. A fairly efficient way to after-cool the air after it's come through the compression process. Motor tag, all the specs, 10 horse, 3-phase, 230, 460 voltage. Pressure switch, drain filter. It might have been an automatic impulse drain. I wouldn't count on it working. Thought it could be cleaned up and made to work. Oh yeah. There you have it. Nice working compressor, got a good price on it. If you need compressed air, you ought to buy this.